Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. If you are observant enough, you would understand that this is actually a job that we've been to before. I was here the other day, actually 2 days ago in real time. I'm not sure when this video will come out, but I did the entire sofa area and porch area plus this back porch here, and it turned out really well. You guys should go watch that video. I'll put the thumbnail and the tag it in the comments. But I got called back to do the gutters, and I just got done with those. That's why this is all disgusting, but I'll show you clips and what I'm talking about with the gutters. But today's video is going to be how we're going to wash a deck without using SH. Now, I'm fully aware that I could use SH to clean all this. Like, if you look here, you just see this ashed algae. I'm fairly confident I could just spray SH and just clean this, no problem. But I want to do an experiment. I'm using Ecolab wood cleaner, and I want to see if it'll work. So that's what we're going to do today. So the title of this video is going to be how to wash a deck without using SH, because that's kind of what I want to try to see if this works. And if it doesn't work, you know, we'll just go right back to using SH. No problem whatsoever. But yeah, that is what we're going to do in this video. Alrighty guys, let's get everything set up. So one thing about this one, guys, I don't think I'm going to need a lot of pressure, but I'm planning to just coat it, and hopefully I can just rinse it off with a fan water tip with a J-rod. Quick tip, guys, when you guys are letting the air or letting the water out of your pressure washer, like when you turn on the spigot and you hold down your gun and get the air out of the line, make sure your downstream injector filter isn't an SH or anything, because you will siphon out. And if it is, just make sure you're not putting it on grass or anything, because that just happened to me, but it doesn't really matter because it's winter. So go ahead and when you get your air out of the line, get your air out of the line, then put your filter and downstream injector into the SH or whatever you want downstream. In this case, we're going to be downstreaming Ecolab wood cleaner. See how it works. So it's going to be an experimental video because I have no idea what's going to happen. And if not, we'll go back to SH. It is also very cold today. It's probably about 26 degrees, 27 degrees, probably about 30 now. And it is really cold and it is windy. And it is not helping my case. When I was on the roof just a second ago, I'll show the video, I was freezing. It was very cold. But yeah, let's see what results we can get, guys. This is, like I said, it's experimental. I have no idea what's gonna happen. And we're about to find out together. We're gonna find if this stuff is actually good or if it's garbage. And even if it doesn't work, it might need a higher percentage because the downstreamer is only gonna dilute it 10-1. But I'm interested to see, I kinda wanna know. But like I said before, if it doesn't work, I'm pretty confident SH will be fine because this deck is painted. So it's not really gonna matter. But yeah, quick video today, guys. This one will not take me long at all. Guys, when we get to the point where I start to rinse it off, I'll take you guys up here with me so you guys can actually see better. Hey guys, let's take a look at it. As you can see, we got green everywhere and it is slippery. And then up here is bad too. See all that green right there? Woo. And there's a bunch of leaves right here. But yeah, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna coat it. I'm gonna use a lot too, because I really don't use this stuff a lot. And I don't even know if it works, to tell you the truth. So let's find out. I'm gonna be very liberal when I apply this. I'm gonna be applying a bunch. Yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed, you guys should subscribe. We just hit 1,000 subscribers not too long ago. I mentioned that in my last video. You guys are the best. But you guys are ready to see this deck, make sure this stuff actually works. Let's go find out. Alrighty guys, moment of truth, let's find out. Let's find out if I'm gonna have to switch to SH after this. I'm excited to see. I'll probably let it sit for about 10 minutes. We'll just sit and hang out for those 10 minutes, don't worry. There it is. Gosh, it smells horrible. Blech, guys, it does not smell good. It smells like, I can't even tell what it smells like. It smells like something. Hey guys, I'm gonna set you guys up and If it does something in the next 10 minutes, you'll know because I'll have you set up right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave you guys there. See if you can get any type of, I'll speed this up 10 minutes or whatever, or 10 times. See if you can actually see a result after 10 minutes. So welcome you back. Hey guys, I think it's been about 4 minutes so far. I mean, it's not bad, I don't think. Let's see up here. I mean, hopefully this can just, there's really no way to tell to see if it's working or not without me just washing it with my J-rod tip. So we'll give it about 3 more minutes and then we'll game on with the J-rod tip. And if it doesn't work, we'll have to rinse all this off and then just use SH. And that's gonna suck because I'm pretty sure this stuff is toxic when you mix it with SH. So I'm gonna have to do a very, very good job of rinsing, but hopefully I don't have to do that. I'm really hoping I don't. I mean, I think it's working. Hold on guys, give me 1 second. Yeah, I'm talking to you guys over there. Here to tell you guys about today's sponsor, Markate. Markate's an all-in-one software that's specifically designed for contractors like us, so it makes our job so much easier. Like right now, no joke, the guy I'm working for is not here right now. So how in the world am I gonna send him an estimate and invoices if he's not here with me? I'm not gonna text him one, that's unprofessional. What I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use Markate's feature. I'm about to do a gutter clean job for this guy, and these gutters are filthy. I'll show a picture of them. And I'm not just gonna send him a lame picture, I'm gonna send him a professional estimate of all these pictures. It shows my logo and all the professionals of my business. How am I going to track that he paid me if I don't have Markate in my corner right now? Also super important about the estimate feature is that it gets their signature as well to make sure that both the contractor and the person who hires you are on the same terms of things, because it's very important, especially when you're doing dangerous stuff like getting on roofs. So next time you go to an estimate for a job, make sure you use Markate and their estimate feature. It's wonderful and it's so professional. You're guaranteed to get more jobs. There's no doubt about it. Huge thank you for Markate for sponsoring this video. I got to go clean these gutters, guys. Let's go. Oh, well, I'll be dang. Believe it or not, guys, the wood cleaner cleans wood. Yeah, guys, I would call this a success, actually. Now, it's taken me a little bit of time. That's because the organic is just so built up on there. But hey, this stuff is working, guys. Believe it or not, I'd say it's working pretty well. So if you didn't want to use bleach for whatever reason, or you didn't want to go buy like super expensive wood cleaner online, this stuff from Home Depot, I mean, it gets the job done. I'll tell you what, especially if you're in a pinch. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I don't think it's expensive at all. Make sure, guys, when you guys are washing decks, there's a lot of crevices that you're gonna have to bend over to get, like right here. If I just swept normally, I would miss this spot right here at the corner. Sometimes you gotta get a little bit of down and dirty to get some of these spots. Yeah, if that's what we gotta do, guys, that's what we gotta do. It's very important to take care of your body. I'm very into fitness. I don't know if you guys are. It's very important that you take care of your body, guys. I'm big into fitness and well-being and eating healthy, and my joints and my ligaments are flexible. Because if I didn't, guys, my back would be killing me right now. So sometimes you gotta get a little bit uncomfortable, and it's very important that you take care of your body. I know it's a little bit off topic for a pressure washing channel, but as a contractor, I think it's very, very, very important, especially if you're young. Now, the big question is, would this stuff come off if I didn't spray anything? And the answer is probably yes, but it's definitely making it a lot easier. Hopefully you guys can see. It's so freaking, there's so many shadows. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's coming off like butter. I mean, it's no problem whatsoever. I'm excited to see what this is going to look like. Hopefully pretty good. Also, what else is very important that I just realized? I'd say this stuff is absolutely worth it just because of the results that we're getting. Plus, it's preventing me from using too much pressure on this deck, which could easily rip up the paint. So far we're getting some really good results. I'm actually very impressed. All right, we're gonna come back to this. We're gonna go upstairs now. Alrighty guys, we're all done now. And you know what? I'd consider that a pretty decent product. Now, I think SH probably would have been a little bit easier and maybe would have done a slightly better job. But hey, if you don't want to use SH for some reason, that ain't bad. It's probably more eco-friendly too, so yeah, I'd say it's a pretty decent product, especially if you're in a pinch. That crap definitely works, especially if you downstream it. I didn't really use that much either. So yeah, that's how you wash a deck without using bleach. And the customer already likes it. They already came in and dropped by the money. And yeah, that's a finished product. So yeah, that's how you wash a deck. And kind of a product review a little bit. So I'd say it's definitely worth the money if you don't want to use SH. I think SH is a little bit better, but still. Yeah, well, that's been Clem and Carson, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Now you know. Nice deck, man. Nice deck. Shoo!